Hello everyone and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb layout and show you a number of its different meanings. Meaning one of the phrasal verb layout is to arrange something on a surface in a particular way. This can also be used figuratively to talk about knocking someone to the ground by hitting them hard. The couple were getting things ready for the dinner party. Honey, can you lay out everything on the kitchen table the way I like it? The card trick was amazing, so they asked to see it again. I'll show you it again, but I have to lay out the cards again. This next example is the figurative use relating to knocking someone out. The man threatened the other man when they had an argument. If you don't stop going on at me, I'll lay you out on the pavement. Meaning two of layout is to explain or articulate plans, principles, or ideas clearly. The office listened intently to their manager during the meeting. Now, I've laid out my plans for the next month. All of you have a job to do. Let's get to it. The parent was tired of explaining the same thing to their child. I can't lay this out for you any other way. Just do what you're told. Meaning 3 of layout is to plan and design how land or buildings are arranged. This meaning can also be used as a noun, like layout. The architect finished designing the building. I've laid out the upstairs to look like this. The kitchen staff were really good at their job, as they've worked in this restaurant for many years. I can quickly get around the kitchen because I know the layout like the back of my hand. So let's run through what we've learned. Layout can mean to arrange something on a surface in a particular way. Let's lay out the money on the table and see how much we've made. To explain or articulate plans, principles, or ideas clearly. I've laid out what I expect from you. Please don't let me down. To plan and design how land or buildings are arranged. The car park is laid out excellently. It's so easy to navigate. Where did you hear the phrasal verb lay out? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.